Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your little ones. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best sunglasses for kids. The COASION Kids Polarized Sunglasses. These sunglasses come in a 3-pack, featuring colors like apple green, purple, and rose pink, and they're perfect for both boys and girls ages 3 to 9. If you're looking for stylish, durable, and protective eyewear for your child, this product might just be your go-to. First, let's talk about the protection these sunglasses offer. These sunglasses feature TPEE polarized lenses, which not only block harmful UV and UVB rays but also eliminate glare, giving your kids clearer vision even on sunny days. The UV 400 protection ensures that more than 99% of harmful rays are blocked, which is crucial for kids since their eyes are more sensitive and vulnerable to UV damage. Whether it's a bright sunny day or even a cloudy afternoon, your child will be shielded from the sun's harmful effects. Now, the COASION sunglasses are designed with comfort and safety in mind. The frames are made from ultra-flexible TPEE material, which makes them incredibly durable and bendable. No more worrying about the sunglasses snapping if they're dropped or bent. These frames are built to last through all the rough and tumble that comes with kids being kids. Plus, the lightweight design ensures that your child will hardly notice they're wearing them, making it a perfect fit for daily wear or outdoor activities like running, playing, or even sports. Speaking of design, the COASION sunglasses have a stylish yet fun appearance. The small square frame adds a trendy vibe, making them suitable for any fashion-conscious child. The anti-skid design helps keep the glasses secure on their face, even if they're running around or doing active outdoor activities. It's safe to say these sunglasses are not only functional but also very cool. One of the key highlights of this product is how versatile it is. Whether it's for a trip to the park, a beach day, or a vacation, these sunglasses are ready for any adventure your child embarks on. And let's not forget about the value. You get 3 pairs of high-quality sunglasses at a price that's affordable, so you can keep 1 pair at home, 1 in the car, and even have a spare for when one inevitably gets lost or misplaced. In terms of design, the COASION Kids Polarized Sunglasses are ideal for both boys and girls. They come in 3 playful colors that children love: purple, russet pink, and apple green, giving them options to match their mood or outfit. These glasses are easy to wear and even easier to love. If you're looking for sunglasses that combine protection, durability, and fun design, the COASION Kids Polarized Sunglasses are a fantastic choice. Give your child the protection they deserve, and do it in style. That's it for today's review from Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching.